First and foremost, we encounter manual testing. It's the bedrock, the rustic cornerstone that forms the basis of the entire testing structure in the dynamic world of software development. Manual testing, intricately intertwined with the foundational principles of quality assurance, is a strategy that is as old as the discipline of testing itself. In the vast landscape of software testing, manual testing stakes its claim as the primordial method. It has evolved, adapted, and grown to fit the ever-changing needs of software development. At its core, manual testing is the process where the tester, adopting the role of an end user, manually executes test cases without the aiding convenience of any automation tools. This approach, raw and unfiltered, is especially potent in exploratory testing, usability, and ad hoc testing. Exploratory testing, as the name suggests, involves the exploration of the software, searching for errors or potential pitfalls. The objective is to investigate and understand the software in an unscripted manner, to probe and scrutinize every little aspect of it. Usability testing, on the other hand, deals with the software's user interface and the user experience it provides. Ad hoc testing is an unstructured method where the tester seeks to find defects that were not found through existing test cases. From shaping the tests to investigating the product's user-friendliness and relying heavily on the tester's personal insights and intuitiveness, manual testing casts a wide net, covering a wide spectrum of areas. This method is characterized by meticulous attention to detail, a keen and discerning eye for potential anomalies, and an unyielding commitment to the pursuit of quality. Let's delve a bit deeper into manual testing. Each test case is initiated, executed, and interpreted by the tester, who then meticulously logs the results. These results play a critical role in identifying the defects within the software, which can then be fixed by the development team. Every aspect of the software is scrutinized. From the functionality of every button to the efficiency of every operation, the tester leaves no stone unturned. This exhaustive process ensures that the software is rid of bugs and glitches and is able to provide an optimal user experience. Manual testing involves several types beyond the ones mentioned earlier. Smoke testing, for instance, serves as a preliminary test that enables testers to determine if the software's primary features function correctly before proceeding with further testing. It's like a first impression, a quick look at the software to ensure that the most basic functions work as they should. Then there's functional testing, which narrows down the focus to individual functions of a software application, ensuring each part operates in accordance with the specified requirements. This detailed analysis of each function aids in locating specific faults that could potentially disrupt the seamless operation of the software. Next, we have acceptance testing, a crucial phase that verifies that the product meets the business requirements and is ready for delivery. Often carried out towards the end of the testing process, it serves as a final stamp of approval, validating that the software is ready to be deployed and used by the end user. And let's not forget regression testing, which is done after modifications to the software to ensure that any changes or additions haven't broken any existing functionality. Alterations to the software, no matter how minor, can cause unforeseen ripple effects that might disrupt other functions. Manual testing is particularly effective in the early stages of development when the software is not stable enough for automated testing. It provides testers an opportunity to interact directly with the software, lending a valuable human perspective to the process. This human element can often identify subtle nuances that might be overlooked by automated tools. The power of manual testing lies in its adaptability, its flexibility to mold itself to the software and the situation at hand. It allows testers to identify and explore edge cases that might not have been considered during the automation process. Indeed, despite the growing prevalence of automated testing tools, manual testing remains an indispensable part of the testing pyramid, ensuring that the software not only works as expected but also feels right from an end-user perspective. The future may bring more advanced tools and techniques, but the need for manual testing will always remain. It is the core, the backbone of testing, preserving the integrity of software and upholding the standard of quality. Voiceover. After understanding the essence of manual testing, let's shift our focus to the broader picture, the role of quality assurance, or QA, in software development. QA is a fundamental cog in the software development machine, ensuring the reliability, functionality, and above all, the quality of the final product. The QA team is tasked with creating detailed test plans, designing test cases, executing them, and creating comprehensive reports to highlight defects and areas for improvement. They conduct crucial regression testing to ensure new changes don't disrupt existing functions. They also collaborate closely with developers, product managers, and other stakeholders to understand requirements and validate software features. QA covers a wide array of testing types. Functional testing verifies the software meets specific functional requirements. Non-functional testing assesses performance, security, usability, and reliability aspects. Regression testing ensures that previously tested software still performs correctly after changes. Compatibility testing verifies the software's adaptability with various devices, browsers, and operating systems. Usability testing evaluates the software's user-friendliness and overall user experience. And of course, our friend manual testing, which involves testers executing test cases without automated tools or scripts. Manual testing plays a crucial role in the QA process. It allows testers to explore the software, mimicking user behavior to discover unexpected issues. It is highly adaptable, allowing testers to modify test cases or approaches based on evolving requirements or findings. Plus, it typically requires less initial investment in tools and infrastructure compared to automated testing. However, manual testing is not without its challenges. It can be time-intensive, especially for repetitive or large-scale testing. It is prone to errors and inconsistencies due to human involvement and requires a larger workforce for comprehensive testing, especially for complex applications. To optimize the testing process, a balanced approach involving both manual and automated testing is often recommended. Test case prioritization is a strategy where manual testing is used for critical functionalities, and automated testing is employed for repetitive and time-consuming tasks. Regression tests, often repetitive, can be automated, while manual testing is reserved for exploratory or ad hoc scenarios. In conclusion, the QA process, with its variety of testing types including manual testing, plays an indispensable role in software development. It ensures that the final product not only functions as expected but also provides a smooth and pleasant user experience. Despite the advancements in automated testing, the human touch in manual testing continues to be a valuable asset in the QA process.
Continuous Learning. Code Books Academy. Thank you for watching.